Hi, everybody, and welcome to your weekly update for everybody who's visiting London, is thinking about visiting London, or is just interested in London, which is a wonderful place to be interested in. So it's Saturday, the 9th of May, and we've had lovely weather this week, and we've got a lovely weather forecast coming up. So hopefully, it'll be a lovely day, whether you're inside, outside, or travelling around London this week. And don't forget to stay on towards the end for well, in fact, you've got a number of money making or money saving tips this week for you. So the first thing I want to talk about is there's an exhibition going on. It's happening down at the Battersea Power Station. I think I've spoken to you about that before. It used to be an old derelict power station down there, but it's spent an awful lot of money on it, and it's now a wonderful venue for shopping, eating, and exhibitions. And they've got an exhibition called Ramesses and the Pharaoh's Gold on there, and it's a real exhibition where quite a lot of exhibits have come over from the Egyptian Museum in Cairo, about 180 of them, and you can go and see those. But actually, there's also an interactive part to it, so it goes back at least 3,000 years of human history, and it's something you can take the children to as well, and they'll enjoy that. It's a lovely family day out, or if you go on your own, or with adults, don't have to be children. Going on this week, starting on Monday and running until the 17th of May, is it's London Craft Week, and that's all over central London, actually all over London. Indeed, a number of venues, and that's a festival celebrating outstanding British and international creativity. Brings together 1,000 established and emerging craft makers, designers, brands, and galleries from all over the world, and that's at venues. And I'll put links to all this and where those venues are. That's running until the 17th of May. Another thing that's going on again from the 12th, so I think that's from Tuesday, and that's running until the 24th of May, and it's something called the Future of Food, and it's a food festival, which is my favourite type of festival. And that's mainly around Regent Street, so that's right in central London. And that includes some supper clubs, chef collaborations, master classes, and even they've got an outdoor banquet going on. And the focus this year is all about the sustainability of food. And next Saturday, so a week today, is the Eurovision final, which is a really big thing, as you might know, in the UK and all over Europe, and in fact a bit beyond Europe now, even though it's called the Eurovision Song Contest. And that, although that is actually taking place in Vienna, which is obviously not London, there will be lots of venues in London where you can go along. So it's going to have glitter, confetti, sing-alongs, and all those sorts of things at different venues around London where you can go and enjoy and watch the Eurovision Song Contest, no doubt on a big screen there, with lots of food and drink going along. So if you want to go and join that, that's next Saturday. And again, I'll put a link down below to all the venues where that's going to happen. So some free things that are going on in London. There's something called a Water in London exhibition, and that's been run by the Royal Photographic Society, and that's got a number of images, 64 in fact, and they're going to be outside Southwark Cathedral, and they all have a link to water. So that's about rivers, reservoirs, ponds, fountains, and other waterways, mainly around London. And that's running, as I say, outside Southwark Cathedral until the 17th of May. Also going on at the moment is the Wimbledon Art Fair, and that's going to involve 180 odd artists, and they'll all be exhibiting their wares and what they've created. And there's obviously an opportunity for you to go and buy one, or just look if you want. That's free, but obviously if you want to buy one, then that ain't going to be free. And then also you can actually go inside some of the artist studios as well, and that's going to be around Wimbledon, and that's all free, and that's running from the 14th to the 17th of May. And then finally, just to say, anybody in Norway or on Norwegian Connection, it's Norwegian Day on Sunday the 17th. So a week tomorrow. But actually, there's a lot of events going on in London in the run up to that, and they're running from the 14th to the 17th of May, and they're very much around Covent Garden, right in the centre of London, and that's going to be a celebration of Nordic culture, Nordic food, with live performances by Norwegian artists, and the London Nordic Choir will be there, and that's running from the 14th to the 17th of May. Okay, so that's our roundup for this week. Hope you enjoyed that and hope you found that information useful. If you do, then don't forget to subscribe to David UK Tours. And you all have a wonderful week. You take care now. Bye bye.